Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add transition in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, uh, all you will need to do first is to create a project. You can do that from files, new projects, and then you will need to choose the aspect ratio that you would like. Here in my case, I'm just going to start working with text since I have no media to add. But in your case, you will be needing to add your own media or content. So basically, you need just to click import, and from there you will be able to import videos, images, audio like music or whatever, and then you can start your editing. So I'm just going to stick with text in my case, and basically this is another text. So I will just type another and give it another style or whatever. And basically now to add the transition, you will be needing to go between the videos or between two clips. And from there, you will be needing to go to transitions. And from here, you will find many transitions. So either you can go to your mind and in case you have some material back, or you can choose the one that are uh, added by Filmora. So let's go for example for fade and dissolve. I'm just going to download it and then I'm just going to add it here. So all you need to do is to drag and drop, and basically now we are just going to see how that would transition. So as you can see, it's just given a transition, and of course you can start having uh, more settings on the transition. So you can have like time frame, you can choose whatever you want to be like the first. For example, this one would fade first. So as you can see, this will fade and then it will show the other one. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.